So anyone who's been watching me a while knows this is one of my favoriteest places. And you'll see why. Because you can see the FOs here very clearly, and they pop around and fly around. That they do. Man, look at that sky. Sheesh. There's one. Oh, there. Those. Yep, they're gone already. Doesn't take long here. That is one. Oh, there's one. And it's gone. They're always in abundance here. There's one. This is where I coined the phrase fleas on a poodle. This is where I created it. Oh, did you see it? Flew right into it. Pretty cool, eh? There's a couple big flatter ones. Don't know how you can make those out. Oh, there was a big one there. And this is where I got that when the camera froze up. I deleted all those videos. So many. I was just getting way too many. You can see them flying around. Just keep your eyes peeled. I thought I had like many videos that showed just way too much, so I kind of canned them all. Kind of cleaned my closet out, you know, in case they can go shut you down. Wow. I'm pointing to as much as I can for you, because I know there's new subs that aren't so familiar. So, I'll put it this way. Anything that's black is something. But the dots, they're only there for a second and then they leave. Even the long ones, those are FOs. Okay, so FOs, FO. Yeah, this guy's loaded here. Loaded. Where do you point first? You know what I mean? Just everywhere. But the closer we get to the building on the other side, it's much more active. Maybe from all the electricity in the building. I don't know. Gotta be energy related, maybe. Maybe. Just a theory. Man, look at all that. Ooh, did you see that? Oh, cool. You'll see him come right in front. Pop around. If you think you saw something fly by, you probably did. Yep, that was one. That was lower left corner. There you go. Okay, now it's going to get pretty busy. See all the spots and the flying around? There was something here. You just have to watch. it's just too much to point out. And they're everywhere. They'll fly from the clouds, so-called clouds, and look at them all lined up like ducks in a row. They fly in, they fly out. When we get close to this, for some reason, it's always more busy. Ooh. And this is where I caught that craft. It was pretty good size, too. See him flying around? It's not just like right in front of us is where they're at. These clouds are all overhead, you know, covering everywhere. So they're flying everywhere. Not just what we're looking at. That's not the only place there are clouds. See all those? Okay, for much longer. They all look alike after a while, you know. Oh, there's one. And there. They're just everywhere. Yep. I won't even bother pointing. You can see them. This is an amazing place. Absolutely. I always say I won't stop staying. Because I can never believe they really are. And since last year, they've really amped up a lot. They're absolutely everywhere. Can you imagine when it's time for them to, their atmosphere so compatible for themselves? It's not that far off. It's really not. It's for us and better for them. Do you see them flying around? Ooh, look at that. That's cool. Yep, there they are. Whizzing around. Little whizzers. Look at that. Wow. Right over the building, flying everywhere. You can see them in front of the webcams continually. Continually. Some of the things that look like bugs or birds sometimes, I don't believe are bugs or birds. I mean, I've seen birds coming out of all that stuff that weren't really birds. For real. Okay, we're going to wrap it up. We've seen enough of them. They don't stick around for long. Man alive. I know I always see I'm going to leave. It's got a really light club to it this time, not a dark, ugly one. And you know I don't believe any of this. Man, look at those ones. Tell me you can see that. Ooh, those just flew in there. See that? Did you see it? Ooh, look at the size of that one. No, stick around. Look at that one. There was a big one there. See if that goes toward the building or the cloud. Oh, look at that. It's just hovering over the building. Well, that makes you feel good, don't it? Alright, we're out of here. Man, they're everywhere. Look at those. Alright, time to break away. Bye.